Ways to boost your credit score Part 2. Adding positives then removing the negatives. Here are 3 steps to follow. The correct authorized user can improve your score from 500 to 700 plus in no time. Paying for deletion or disputing the inaccurate information will delete the negative accounts. Applying for the correct credit cards will get you higher credit limits. Paying those cards on time and keeping a low balance is imperative. Use your new cards in a responsible way. Well, if you don't, you will end up in debt. And if that happens, you might want to jump off a cliff. That's all, folks. Until the next video, please subscribe and share.